Hello class, welcome to e-learning session. So today we are going to learn subject science and chapter number 4 and chapter name is matter. So open your book, page number is 188. So firstly we will know about the name of this chapter. So name of this chapter is matter. And in this chapter we will learn about states of matter, change of state, solute, solvent and solution. Okay, so one by one I will describe it. So firstly we will know about the matter. There are a variety of things around us. We see paper, pen, chair, doors, windows, gas and many more things. All things have mass and take up space. Okay, so all things have mass and take up space. Anything that has mass and take up space is called matter. Then what is matter? Then you can write this sentence. All things have mass and take up space. Anything that has mass and takes up space is called matter. Solid, liquid and gases are the three states of matter. Matter is all around us. All matter is made up teeny particles called molecules. Okay, so here you can see the activity times. So children, look at the picture below and fill in the blanks. So firstly you have to fill. Rahul is drinking water. Okay, so water is liquid. Bunty is playing with balloons. Air filled in the balloons. Balloon is gas. Second number, Akshay is playing with bat. Bat is a solid thing. So I think you can understand and you can differentiate between a solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so now as we know that there are three states. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. So now turn your page. So now we will know about the solids. In solids, molecules are very closely packed. Therefore, solids are usually hard and have fixed shape and size. Wood, stone, paper and books are examples of solid. By applying force, some solid can be bent, broken, cut or reshaped. So here you can see the picture of molecules in a solid. So now liquid. What is liquid? In liquids, molecules are loosely packed. Therefore, liquid do not have a fixed shape. They take the space of the container in which they are kept. They can flow from one place to another. Okay, and water, milk, oil and juices are examples of liquid. So now we will know about the gases. In gases, molecules are very loosely packed. Therefore, gases do not have fixed shape and size. They fill up whatever shape is available to them. Here is a mixture of gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. So children, here you can see the picture of molecules in a gas. Okay, so now you can see the table differences between solids, liquids and gases. So firstly we will know about the features one by one. The features of solids: arrangement of molecules very closely. Okay, arrangement of molecules very closely. And liquids loosely packed, gases very loosely packed. Now in shape, fixed shape. Solids have fixed shape, liquids have no fixed shape and gases no fixed shape. Now size, solids have fixed size and liquids fixed size, but gases no fixed size. Okay, so now we will know about the change of state. Melter then change from one state to another on heating or cooling. When we keep water in a freezer, it turns into ice. The process by which a liquid change into solid state on cooling is called freezing. And next, when we heat ice cubes or keep ice cubes out of the freezer, they turn into water. The process by which is solid changes into liquid state in heating is called melting. Okay, so now when we heat water, it turns into water vapor. The process by which, so now turn your page. The process of which liquid changes into gas on heating is called evaporation. Then water vapors cool down. From water, the process by which a gas change into liquid or cooling is called condensation. Here you can see the picture of firstly ice, water and water vapor. Ice melting and heating. Okay, after evaporation, then again condensation and freezing. Okay, so now here you can see the solute, solvent and solution. So there is examples of solid, solvent and solution. Some solids like sugar and salt dissolve in liquids. When we add salt to water, it becomes salty. When we add sugar to milk, it becomes sweet. The solid that dissolves in a liquid is called the solute. Okay, the liquid in which a solute dissolves is called the solvent. The liquid which we get when a solute dissolves in a solvent is called the solution. Sweet milk is the solution of sugar and milk. So solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Clear? And the water can dissolve many things in it. Hence, it is called a universal solvent. Liquid like ink and juice also dissolve in water. Okay, children. So, complete this chapter. I hope you you have got very well. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.